Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. It's around half past 5 in the morning, and I am trying to record this video for my YouTube channel. And if you are new here, then I am Afsana and I come from West Bengal. I hope you are learning English every single day and as well as practicing English. So in this video, I am going to share how I learned English because and one thing I want to share in this video at first, that is I am uploading videos on my Instagram page every single day. If you don't know my Instagram ID, then you can check the channel description. I already mentioned my Instagram ID there. Okay, you can click on the link and follow me on Instagram because I am very regular on Instagram, and I am uploading English videos there every single day. So it's now morning time. I thought let's make a video by showing face because there are only few videos I made by showing face on my channel. Actually, I make tutorial type of content from Bengali to English. Okay, for uh, beginners level students, beginners levels learners. And these days I am trying to improve myself by speaking English because it's very important to speak to become fluent in English, right? So that is what I am doing, and in this video I am going to share how I learned English, because this is the one thing people are asking me on Instagram, that how you learn English. I am getting this comment. Okay, people are interested to know how I learned English. So I decided to share how my English learning journey. Actually, back then in 2020, when lockdown was going on, that time still I remember it was June 2020. It was June in 2020, and that time I was doing a business, online business. Okay, and I had to talk to many people. I had to connect with many people that time. That's why I felt like I need to learn English, because I have had to speak with lots of people to promote that business. Okay, that's why I felt needed to learn English actually, and that's why I learned English in 2020. And like how I learned English, as I told already in my previous video, that I learned English from YouTube. And there was a channel, actually a famous channel. The channel name is Dadar High School. It is a Bengali channel. The owner of that channel, he teaches English from Bengali to English. This channel is very much famous in West Bengal. There are 2 millions, more than 2 millions followers are there, subscribers on that channel. And this channel is very uh, uh, very good for beginners. If you are a beginner, you can learn English from that channel. Like, I learned English from Dadar High School English channel. Okay, so you can also learn too from that channel if your mother tongue is Bengali. So like there on that channel, there is a series, 100 days series for beginners to advanced level. Okay, so back then in 2020, I met with few friends online, like on Facebook, and we made a messenger group. And every single day, we used to follow one video from that series, from that 100-day series, and we used to practice on that group every single day. And within 3 months, we covered the 100-day series and we learned the basic English. Okay, so then gradually I kept practicing. For 6 months I was very consistent to learn English. But after 2020, I still remember 6 months, I like from June to December in 2020, I was very much active and very I was so consistent to learn English. Okay, but in 2020 I used to learn English, but not that much active. I was busy with like study. I got busy with study and some other works. Okay, that's why I then actually I made that mistake. I did not focus on that much in English after 2020, and after 2021 I totally stopped learning English. That was my biggest mistake, I must say. So if you are a beginner and if you are learning English, then you should not stop learning English until you become fluent English. And one big mistake I did, that I never tried to speak to anyone. That was my biggest fault, I must say. Okay, just wait 1 minute. Sorry, 1 second. Let me go there first because this background is very good. So did the mistake I made, that is I never tried to open my mouth. We had a group on Messenger. We used to practice on day wise, but we used to practice by texting. We used to make sentences in English but by texting. But uh, the mistake we all did, that is like we never tried to speak. That was our biggest mistake. And I am still thankful. I used to practice by texting, but still that helped me a lot. But for a long time I did not speak. That's why I'm still struggling to speaking English. That's another part. But I'm still grateful for those friends. Those are most, like, there were many members on that messenger group. We created a messenger group for practicing English from day wise 100-day series. But only few, 5 or 6 members were very active, including me. And we were like, our relation become very good. We used to practice every single day. Still I am connected to them on social media, and they are from Bangladesh. And sometimes I miss those days, how we used to learn English. Like, learning English is really very fun if you are really interested. When you start learning, making when you start learning how to make small sentences, when you start making sentences, small sentences by yourself, it feels so good. That and the For me, my English learning journey was very much fun. I enjoyed a lot. Still these days I'm learning. Like, last um, 1 year I am trying to speak. But before, like, almost after 2021, I wasted many years, more than like 3 years, 2.5 years. I did not focus on English. That was my biggest mistake. I should not have done that. I should not stop learning English. But now I cannot do anything, right? Time already passed. So what I should do now, that is I need to practice more and more. And like, I have learned English, as I told, whatever, everything, each and everything I have learned from YouTube. I never ever join any coaching center. And these days I don't think too much about others opinion. Like, earlier, after learning English in 2020, I used to fear a lot. I never used to speak in public or with anyone, because I used to think a lot about, I used to give too much importance to others opinion. I used to think, like, what if people laugh at me if I make mistakes? What if they judge me? What if everyone sees me as a failure, like this? But no longer. Now I have realized that nobody cares what I am doing, what I'm saying, where I'm making mistakes, right? So if you are if you are that kind of person who thinks a lot and unable to speak English, but you understand English, so I suggest, just try to speak slowly, and gradually you will see the improvements. But if you don't open your mouth, you will never be able to speak English. You have to uh, take courage, and you have to speak. Like, to overcome the fear of speaking English, you have to face your fear, right? So I think it is going to be a long video, because it's been 10 minutes video and still I am recording. So see, if you want to overcome your shyness, you have to feel shy. You have to make yourself uncomfortable in front. Sorry for the background sound, it was a bird chirping. Okay, so if you really want to speak English, but you understand English, but you are unable to speak English because of your shyness and fear, and because of the others opinions, how would people react? If you feel like this, then I would say, literally nobody cares what you are doing. Nobody cares, they just watch you are speaking wrong English. Maybe they pass some bad comments and they will forget it, but you will improve yourself. Remember these things. People can judge. People will judge whatever you do. People will judge no matter what. Okay, but to improve yourself, you have to take action. Remember this thing. You have to over to overcome your fear. You have to face your fear. To overcome your shyness, you have to feel shy. You have to put yourself in a uncomfortable situation. Again, I am saying, then only then you will become confidence in you will be confidence in speaking English. Okay, I hope you are getting my points, because still I make mistakes sometimes, but for me that does not matter that much, because still I am learning and trying to improve myself every single day. So I hope I actually I tried my best to make you understand. I hope you got my points. So now I'm gonna end this video because it's almost going to be a 12 minutes video, and I hope you enjoyed today's video and learned something new, and I hope this video motivates you to speak English. Okay, because as a village girl, if I, as a introvert person, if I can speak in front of public, if I can speak in front of camera, then you can also learn and speak English like me. Okay, so don't think too much, just start learning English. If you are thinking of learning English, start learning English, and gradually you will be able to speak English, no doubts. Wish you all the best, and see you in the next video. Till then, stay happy and keep learning. Okay, bye bye.